Well, it's Saturday in February. Matter of fact, it's the 1st of February here at Powell's. Jimmy is just now finishing up reassembling the Turbo 400 for the 69 Camaro. He's got the body, the transmission back together. Now he's got to put the valve body on. That's what that crazy looking stuff down there is. That's the passageways the fluid goes through where the pistons are in order to create pressure to make it shift. So he'll get that done sometime today, and hopefully we'll make it go home. Anyway, you come outside with me for a little bit, and we've got a couple of trailers here. This trailer had smoke coming off the back wheel. You can see how hot it's gotten. It's cooked the bearings in the hub in it and going to have to be replaced. And then we've got another trailer over here, and from this side it looks pretty good. But when you get around to the front of it, you're going to see that we're cleaning the spindle up because the spindle and the hub got completely destroyed. The wheel came off. You can see what's left. There's no brake pad left. You can see all the debris from the spindle going bad. So if you have a trailer with a wheel problem, hub problem, bearing problem, bring it to Powell's. We hope to see you soon with your trailer issue, car issue, exotic car issue. Like I said, just bring it to Powell's. We've got the know-how to fix it and get you back on the road. See you soon.